No bedbug this time. I'm going in alone. Seen the layout, I know the room. Rorak's in there somewhere, and it won't take him long to realize I'm coming. He knows what I'm after now. This time I leave with everything. I'm a Rossi Fremont.
Yeah, I see you. Are you gonna tell me why we're fucking with these guys?
Do you care?
Not really.
There's a computer inside that...
It's okay. I really don't care. I was just trying to make some small talk.
What the Whatever, shit. Ain't my shit to fix, shit.
I guess okay.
You missed, Shorty.
Yeah, you got the easy job. Damn, tell me you saw that.
Hey, yo, bitch, holla at me if you still out there.
What the fuck? I was expecting a bunch of twitchy kids with cheap guns. These guys feel almost military.
Meet the mic,
Well, that's slightly terrifying. Used today, huh? Damn, they just keep coming. You sure you want to go in there?
I don't want to go in there, but I have no choice.
That's your problem. You don't realize there's always a better deal out there. You get stuck in these little adventures that never end well for you. Turn up. Just watch this.
I'm hurt. Real bad.
Sorry, bad
I
angle.
don't want to go like this.
Wait for it.
Clara, can you get this door open?
We're working on it. T-Bone's got an idea.
Yeah. They're running my encryption on the security doors. It's kind of hard to finagle remotely, but your Wonder Girl here? She just had a damn good idea. If you can cut power to that door, it's gonna default to the base code for about half a second.
And you know the base code.
Yep. I wrote the damn algorithm. Let's give it a whirl.
It's open.
You can tank us in person. Be safe, Aiden.
Think I didn't know you were coming? Think you got skills? Or think you know your way around the network? Well, so do I. Yo, this shit is fucked. Problem with the world today, no manners, right?
Up in my court. We're playing a game from a higher level. Please think we'll watch the streets. Shit, we'll watch the whole damn city. The things we find. That's currency we'll cash in when we need it. I got dirt on everybody. Police. Just watch. I'll get the mayor too. I just gotta wait for the perfect moment.
Come on, stop that motherfucker. Let's show this bitch who he's playing with. Fuck him up. Just stand there.
No way! No way! Yo, check it. He was right there. Bot, motherfucker. Get him from the side. Surprise, motherfucker. Like that.
Oh, shit. Okay. Come on in.
Oh, you on a suicide mission, soldier?
Check over there and watch.
If I catch a bullet, if somebody finds this, and make sure everybody knows what's out with us. Shit, I was nothing. I came from nothing. I got nothing. Never asked for shit. Nothing. But now, well, watch the news. I did that by myself.
You're gonna get lost in here forever. You ready for that, soldier?
So little kid, she ain't shit. If I was you, I'd be looking for a safe place to hide. I know it's his song, man. Over here. Damn, get behind something. Yo, get behind some shit.
No way out.
He was watching us. He was right there. There.
So, I'm gonna record this, but oh, shit. Almost dropped it. Still going? Okay, I'm gonna record my legacy, like my cousin Iraq always do it. I gotta have something to leave behind, just in case, you know. See, Iraq's got it all figured out. You know, got everybody figured out but me. Why is he always dogging me? I'm with blood, with family. I should be right up there by his side. I gotta find a way to show him that.
Okay, Clara, I'm in. You should start receiving everything now.
I see it. It's all coming in. T-Bone's going to start decrypting it as soon as we have it all. That's a pretty big download.
All of this is Iraq's leverage, his blackmail. He's been collecting this for a long time.
There. That's everything. Hurry back, Aiden. T-Bone's decrypting it now.
I'm on my way.
Oh man, look at you. Crispin? No, wait. Pierce, right? This all you, Pierce? The auction?
Correct.
You the shit raining down on me? Cause I got a lot of shit raining down on me. Stop right there. I'm not about to let you get away with this. You've been fucking me up, snooping in my shit, right? Interfering with my plans.
Iraq, you're okay.
It was you. You were the other hacker in the Merlot.
That there's my currency. My masterpiece. And you trying to take that from me.
You took something far more valuable from me.
I took from you. Motherfucker, I don't even know you.
Oh, so you wanna fuck with my family, huh? Break into my house? Trying to steal my shit, huh? Do you know who I am? Do you?
A wannabe king in a tiny castle.
Then you're wrong!
And you're lucky Quinn's lapdog.
Fuck you! Fuck you! Yeah, I see your type of folk, man. Self-righteous motherfuckers. I tried your kind of people off the battlefield. Now, I'll make sure you get back to your family. Maybe one piece at a time, huh? And when I'm done, they're next on my list. What, you got a wife and kids? Brothers and sisters? Yeah, you hurt mine, I hurt yours, bitch. It ain't nobody gonna come save your punk ass out here either. Your sniper's locked out. And the police won't fuck with me. Hell, I am the police out here. You go down low, man. Kill that motherfucker.
We getting torn up out here.
Don't bring war to a soldier, boy. You think we're friends? What, having a chat?
I'll take every file you have. All of your hard work, gone.
The Merlot's a slick hotel. Bunch of rich white motherfuckers just waiting to pay up. So you take it from me, eventually someone's gonna take it from you too. The secrets get passed around. And all sorts of people are going to die for the secrets. That's the curse of power. This is not us making a deal. You pick the fight, Pierce. Let's play it out.
I got my eyes on you, motherfucker. I'm gonna end you. Think you can? How was that? Watch yourself.
Iraq was protecting a tinderbox of blackmail. He was after something bigger. He wanted the video from the Merlot job. He never did find it. Well, the Viceroys are gonna regroup, and a new leader will step up. And Bedbug? He's got a chance to get out now. I hope he takes that chance.